Hi, my name is Martin. I'm here at MotionMoto, our shop and your shop, where we can service your bike. We can do anything you need, anything from small repairs all the way to engine repairs. Full engine builds, flash tuning. We offer a variety of services. Just let us know what you need. MotionMoto started 4 months ago. We're new as far as the shop, but we've been around the community forever. I've been in the business for about 25 years. We have access to all OEM parts, and what we try to do is we try to match online prices as much as we can. Even with the OEM parts, we got a pretty good relationship with the dealerships, so they give us a decent price and we can pass it on to our customers. Same thing goes for accessories. We try to do what we can, help people out. Our tires, we basically price them at online prices. You don't even have to haggle, you're gonna get the lowest price. Hey, this is Martin at MotionMoto. This is my wife Tanya, come check us out.